This module describes the indoor connections, including the E1 tributary cables and synchronization. Examples of tributary cable connection for protected and unprotected PDH board, ASAP board, and MSS1C will be discussed throughout this module. Let's begin with the unprotected PDH board connection. The items needed for this kind of connection are two 16E1 tributary cables and the integrated DDF. Pass the cables through the opening and fix the blue blocks. Arrange the cables inside the rack by using tie wraps. Finish by carefully inserting SCS I-68. Then fasten the screw connectors on the PDH board. Remember that forcing the connector can damage the inner pins. For the protected tributaries, Y cables are used to connect the DDF to both PDH boards. Pass the first Y cable through the opening. Arrange the cable inside the rack. Then connect both Y cable connectors to the PDH ports labeled 1 to 16 on each board. Do the same operation for the second Y cable, connecting it to the 17 to 32 connector on each board. For ASAP board, tributary connection is similar to the unprotected PDH board, as this board supports only 16E1 ports. Only one SCS I-68 cable is used. For the MSS1C tributary connections, use the 8E1 DB37 cables. Two of this cable type are used to interconnect the 16E1 port available on the MSS1C. Pass the cables through the openings and fix the blue blocks. Arrange the cable inside the rack. Then plug the connector and fasten the screws on the MSS1C. Repeat this operation for the second cable. In case of core protection, sync distribution may require a Y synchronization cable. Connect this cable by plugging both 1.0 2.3 connectors to the main and spare core boards. Finally, connect the external sync signal to the Y connector.